Today, we're diving deep into 6 major bathroom design mistakes that can truly come back to haunt you. And the good news? If you know about them now, you can avoid them before it's too late. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's walk through the smart way to create a bathroom that feels timeless, functional, and stress-free. A bathroom that's designed well can feel like a private retreat, while one that's poorly thought out can quickly become a daily source of frustration. Ignoring proper ventilation. One of the most common mistakes people make is overlooking ventilation. Bathrooms naturally deal with humidity, steam, and moisture every single day. And while that foggy mirror may seem harmless, over time, poor ventilation can lead to mold, mildew, peeling paint, and even structural damage. Many people fall into the trap of thinking a small window is enough, or worse, they skip installing an exhaust fan because it doesn't feel like a decor feature. The reality is, without proper airflow, your bathroom becomes a breeding ground for problems you won't see until months later. Imagine investing in gorgeous tiles, sleek cabinets, and high-end finishes, only to watch them deteriorate because of hidden water damage. The smartest approach is to treat ventilation as part of the design itself. Fans today come in sleek, quiet models that can blend seamlessly with your ceiling. Pairing them with a strategically placed window can keep the space dry, fresh, and long-lasting. In the long run, this not only protects your investment, but also ensures your bathroom feels comfortable and healthy. Choosing the wrong materials. Bathrooms are unique compared to other rooms in your home. They're exposed to water, steam, and constant temperature changes. That means the materials you choose matter more than you think. Many people are drawn to trendy finishes or inexpensive options, but not every surface holds up in a bathroom environment. For example, certain types of wood or laminate might look stylish at first, but over time they warp, swell, or peel when exposed to moisture. Similarly, porous stones that aren't sealed properly can absorb water, leaving stains and creating maintenance headaches. Even paint choices matter. Flat or matte finishes may look chic, but they're not easy to clean and won't resist humidity. Luxury bathrooms aren't just about what looks good today. They're about what still looks good 10 years from now. When you're designing, think of durability as much as beauty. Moisture-resistant paints, sealed stone, porcelain tiles, or high-quality vinyl flooring can give you the same upscale look while lasting much longer. Investing in the right materials from the start may feel like spending more, but it saves you from costly replacements and repairs later. Poor lighting choices. Lighting is often treated as an afterthought in bathrooms, but it has a huge impact on both function and mood. Many homeowners rely on a single overhead bulb, and while that technically lights the room, it doesn't create the kind of atmosphere you want in a space where you both get ready in the morning and relax at night. Think about the difference between harsh shadows on your face when you're trying to apply makeup versus a warm, flattering light that makes you feel confident. Or picture a long bath under dimmed lighting compared to sitting under a glaring bulb. It changes the entire experience. A well-designed bathroom layers lighting in 3 ways: task lighting around the mirror, ambient lighting overhead, and accent lighting that adds atmosphere. The best part is that this doesn't require expensive fixtures. Even affordable sconces, LED strips under cabinets, or a dimmer switch can completely transform your space. Ignore lighting, and you risk ending up with a bathroom that feels cold, uninviting, and impractical. Get it right, and suddenly your bathroom becomes one of your favorite rooms in the house. Overlooking storage solutions. Another mistake that costs homeowners in the long run is failing to plan for storage. Bathrooms are full of everyday essentials: towels, toiletries, cleaning supplies, skincare products, and without a place to keep them, clutter takes over quickly. A beautiful countertop loses its appeal when it's covered in bottles, and a sleek bathtub doesn't feel relaxing when stacks of products are scattered nearby. The problem is that many designs focus on aesthetics alone, choosing the perfect vanity or tiles, while forgetting the practical side. But luxury is really about balance. beauty paired with function. That means integrating smart storage into the design from the very beginning. Floating vanities with drawers, recessed shelving in shower walls, tall cabinets for linens, or even a simple niche near the tub can make all the difference. Storage isn't just about hiding things away, it's about creating a bathroom that feels calm and organized. Without it, you'll always feel like you're battling clutter, no matter how pretty the finishes are. Getting the layout wrong. Bathrooms might be small compared to other rooms, but layout matters more here than almost anywhere else. A poorly planned layout can make the space feel cramped, awkward, or even unsafe. For instance, placing the toilet as the first thing you see when you walk in instantly takes away from the elegance of the room. Or imagine squeezing a large bathtub into a narrow space, leaving barely enough room to move around. It looks impressive at first, but quickly becomes a daily frustration. Good bathroom layouts are about flow and proportion. Every fixture, sink, toilet, shower, tub, needs to be positioned in a way that feels natural and functional. This doesn't always mean bigger is better. Sometimes a smaller, well-placed shower feels more luxurious than a giant tub that dominates the room. Designers often say, form follows function, and in bathrooms, that couldn't be more true. Once plumbing is installed, making changes becomes expensive and complicated, so getting a layout right the first time saves a fortune later. It's worth spending time measuring, sketching, and imagining how you'll actually use the space every single day. That's what transforms a bathroom from simply pretty to genuinely livable. Prioritizing style over functionality. The last major mistake is focusing too much on style without considering practicality. It's tempting to fall in love with trendy sinks, ultra-modern faucets, or intricate tiles you saw on Instagram. But what looks beautiful in a photo may not always work for your lifestyle. Vessel sinks, for example, can look striking, but if they splash water everywhere, you'll be constantly wiping down counters. Tiny mosaic tiles may be stunning, but the grout lines can become a nightmare to clean. Luxury doesn't mean discomfort. True luxury is when beauty and function blend seamlessly. It's about choosing elements that are not only visually appealing but also easy to live with day after day. Sometimes the most timeless designs are the ones that strike that balance. So there you have it, 6 bathroom design mistakes that may seem small at first, but can cost you big in the long run. Whether it's skipping ventilation, choosing the wrong materials, forgetting lighting, overlooking storage, messing up the layout, or prioritizing style over function, each of these can turn your dream bathroom into a daily headache. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home design advice. Thanks for watching.